Many a times we feel demotivated in our life and we don't come to know what we can do with it and how to motivate ourselves. So today in this video I'm going to share with you all the tips which I follow to keep myself motivated. Hello friends, I'm Harsha Kamath and welcome to my channel Harsha's Life. So today in this video let's know what are the things which I follow to keep motivated. The first and the foremost tip is first ask yourself if you are procrastinating some goal of yours. Just first ask yourself whether whatever your goal is real or you are just want to impress somebody else. Just ask it, just take time and decide whether the goals which you have put are for yourself. Is it your passion or is it because other people are doing and you don't have any interest in that and you are just compelling yourself to do certain work? So if you are real, if you're passionate about the work, then you decide that you have to do this. If you not, just leave the task there itself. So this is the first tip which I am going to give. If your goals are real, now you have set the goals, what your goals are, and you have to start moving forward towards your goals. So the second tip here is you have to keep a date. You have to have a target when you're going to complete this particular goal or when you're going to complete this particular task. So keep a target. So if it is a very long, if you have something which takes a longer duration, then you break down into months, weeks and daily goals where you can do a little stuff daily towards reaching that goal. When you keep a target, what happens is you will start liking what you're doing and you will move forward automatically. So the third tip is you have to keep a record of all the things. Document your life or document the things. Either it may be videos or it may be the pics or whatever. When you have a record, when you document everything what you're doing and whatever you want to achieve in life, when you have everything in the pics or in the video form, when you see your progress, you will definitely not stop doing it. You will continue you can do the journaling as well. You can keep a diary and document all the things what you are doing. So how I do is I have pics, I have a record of pics, I have videos, I have a sheet, I have a book where I keep all the records of all things. I do many things, so I have many books for that. I'll show you to you someday in the future. And I have a big chart where I document the monthly and the yearly goals and what all I have completed till now. So I'll make a separate video of that where I can show you and give you an idea how can you do all those things. So I do journaling. So pics, videos and journaling is the next. And one more, the next tip what I'm going to give you is watch the YouTube videos. See, sometimes what happens, we feel demotivated. Okay, once in a while getting demotivated is completely alright because you need rest. You need rest to your mind, you need rest to your body. So what you have to do is you take breaks weekly. You work 5 days a week. You can take break on weekends or you decide when you're going to do it. So you need a break in between as well so that you get motivated the next week. So take a break of 2 days every week or as you wish and how you can manage And another thing which I do is I do the thing before my favorite TV show. Usually I watch Chakravarti Ashoka and before that serial I complete all the tasks so that I completely can concentrate on my serial at that time. So you can do the same thing. Whatever the favorite serial you have or whatever the favorite work you have to do. So before that thing you can complete your task. Tell your mind that after completing my task I'm going to watch this favorite serial or whatever the favorite thing you want to do. So when you do this thing, you feel motivated. Oh, after doing this, completing this, I can watch the TV. So you are rewarding yourself or you can reward yourself with other things as well. Whatever you want to reward, maybe eating stuff or anything else. So this is how I follow and it has helped me a lot and it keeps me motivated all the times, most of the times. Okay, you need to take breaks but don't be lazy. Okay, One more tip is you can do it with your friends. Okay, two of them can join together and do some task or whatever your goals are. Okay, I have heard that many of the time many people do this with their friends. Usually I don't do it, I usually do alone because the time matters and even my friends are too busy, I don't know whom to call. So if you are comfortable with your friend, if you have a close friend, so you can do it along with them. If you are good at your work and you are comfortable sharing it with your friends or public, then you can post it in the social media. It keeps you motivated. Another thing what I feel is I usually post the things whatever I do. So what happens when I post the things, I feel motivated to do more, I feel encouraged to do more. So this motivates me. And one more tip I would like to give you is you can write the numbers. See, for example, if I am doing some art, I give the number, okay, 1, 2, 3. Or if I'm writing an article, I write the numbers, so that when the numbers are increasing, you really feel motivated every time you see the increasing number in the work you are doing. So this is another tip. And one more thing is I watch YouTube videos. Many of the times when I'm procrastinating for a longer time, then what I do is I watch YouTube videos about that thing. If, for example, if I'm procrastinating cleaning of the kitchen, then what usually I do is I sit and watch the cleaning organizing videos. So I feel like, oh, she's doing so nicely, she's cleaning so nicely, then I start doing it in my house. So you can do that. If you're interested in books or if you're interested in art, you see a lot of art videos, you see a lot of craft videos, so you get motivated to do the things. So this is the use of social media, or whatever you see in the videos, you feel like doing it for yourself, or in whatever you're interested in, you can watch those videos and get motivated. So these are all the tips which I follow. Hope it was helpful to you, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.